Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about keeping your heater working properly. The main heart of your heater in your car, as we're in a little bit colder temperatures, is actually the heater core, which you can see is usually made out of aluminum these days and can wear internally by breaking down and corrosive, but also other items as far as getting dirt on it, etc. So we're talking about a couple things here. One is keeping the cooling system flushed out, which coolant from your vehicle runs through the heater core to produce the heat inside your vehicle. The second is keeping all the dirt, pollen, and dust out by replacing cabin filters. Usually twice a year is a great idea for this, to be honest with you. Keeps all this kind of contaminates from coming into airborne air inside your cabin passenger compartment. Along with cleaning actually the evaporator core, reducing mold, pollen, etc. on it also. Keeping your heater and your AC system clean is extremely important. By doing so, you will keep the air inside your passenger compartment clean, everybody happy. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.